Woman said the name evangelist ye. Women who are an evangelist so Nyame a preachy will get us the money at their day in the morning chronaba. Yakase so Nyamia Udin Ankasa a day.
That's a match I was here for, no much for one share free Facebook. Evangelist Nyame, you can say, I baby deeply. Na enye din a afa na me osa me che obi ase ansa na wate ase mpo me so Diana obi frame so Nyame o Diana ade che na me say frame so Nyame.
But before Diana we ba near frozen
Yeah, frame Bismarck.
Yeah. Bismarck day Tuesday
Yeah,
to ye dey
papa e den chira ma me asante.
Oh wow. Wow. Nice. Those days I know from Bismarck now life to say.
Okay. As of Juman there, me shas na mo 7-8 years.
Hey.
Yeah. Yeah, na young crofo say mo ghetto and a massacre. Yeah, na young crofo say na me shewi base na me sesan na.
And the son there will be arguing.
David. Tina, on say Sebio Ghana media no say you use no fan. You should say you want to go from.
A PC pa.
Also cocoa asia PC different from PC I want to feel. Yeah, ultimate tree abomu crowd or boss so ultimate tree would do so. Yeah. And China media and media no omo investigation there news no buy na do be hu bia do be TV no nso post no ma caption. To the whole Europe media say be so type and a blog the whole Europe bloggers are omunyuma type Ghana no mugo.
Ha.
Yeah, true.
What do you in Ghana, sir?
There is no blogger in Ghana. There is no single blogger in Ghana. I swear, no. I want you to show me just a single blogger in Ghana. Go to America and see. Go to Germany. Go to UK. Go to South Africa. Go to the developed countries and see. They respect themselves as bloggers. If they will post something, they will do investigation about it. By Ghana, there is no investigation. If the news come, they will just post it like that to get views so that they will get coins from YouTube. So there's no blogger in Ghana. There's no single blogger. You cannot show me any blogger here. All of them, they are fighting for YouTube coins. Yeah. So who is a blogger for you? Maybe they will be angry. They will say, so Nyame, you will not come interview. I don't need your interview. I don't care. If you come. If you don't come, don't come. I'm still me. And I'm even today, if I die, I'm irrelevant. I'm irrelevant. Next 10 years, pastors will come and they will preach like how I'm preaching. So that time they will say Nyame. So if you like it or not, my name will not vanish from this nation. So I don't need you to become somebody. There is no blogger in this country. There is no single blogger. Even some of the TV stations and some of the radio stations, they are unprofessionals. Ask them if they have tasted the drink they are advertising on the TV. Ask them. Your TV station be Ghana, they just collect the money and doing noise for people to drink it. They have not tasted it. You won't do it or me advert to TV so radio so they are just making noise about it for people to take it because of the money they will get. So there is no blogger in this country. If you go to the developed countries, Saudi Arabia and I say you go come TV station, radio station go yam advert. On one kasa be you professionals, am o do a check of your year ade no. Ay investigation who ade na o mo be advert enku nipa. But Ghana, there is no even one TV station or be ade ho advert or investigation for ade no. There's no one TV station.
Sunday get what that.
Yes, I am. That is how it is.
Hey.
That is how it is. Omaya, let me pause this here. Yeah. I'm talking facts. Because I fear only God.
Investigations be ankoso.
Investigation be ankoso. Obi wo hono mu a enya ntwa na nipa betwa. Yem buta me say ade na onye adwe hu taste say. Oni mu taste no mpo. Ya be ka ten so yamount $500 every month. And I amount $1,000 every month. A person you advert my amount $2,000 every month. A person you advert my. And I know what sense I know what advert na no shasi. Then you pay no go yem. Alright. Bebre. Na Nyankopon osoro no hwe. Onto Nyankopon obo wiase. On pese nipa be di adifia kodi mu. obi di ade a efia ha Nyame ti da bia me kasa udwa banche
na your friends say ya o keke yina me wo kan Nyame ma yedi na me hwe it seems maybe you don't know maybe a would a wo hu no ne sa but FDA wo hodo unim say o really regulate because will be
even
a babon
okay
udim sa
why are there uka say FDA ho no ma me ndi wachine say FDA ni one
but the chance unim say product FDA abonte
I know say FDA
na afa ho no mo ansa na o ma be play advert
thank you
what is it
why are there as no make kai me say Ghana yemfa no kra nya adwuma from leaders to unborn babies yemfa no kra nya adwuma enti no make no obi abedi me chini agese omo dwene china ene da achede ma oman wi me hu video bi one of the TV stations na obi aseda fra drinks nyansa ena ode koma omo so aduro no na omo just omo person mu say TV stations no so mu nya ade na mo ye advert mo di mo adena mo ye investigation ana say mo just mo ye ne sa nti wo fra drinks nyansa ena ode koma omo say aduro bi ode aba na esawe omo je ya na omo start ya aduro we jan dan no bi ma me yare ode bi kan na no apa na no say drinks from
na
drinks nyansa TV station kase pa Ghana how
ba me kase
na sa kase no pom akase no
what I'm trying to say is say it's a war no who feel say baby a ye be advert no who feel say the workers over there na say whatever it is enya de o ma try crowd
yeah
sana ya wo wadwen
sana was me kan no
there be me just can say sana
I was saying kamikase ebi but this country obi odi ebi kan say bia won kan okore this country and now you kase no kora eni wo wuo ena nam baby no kora obi owo gina ho baby no kora je fisi nyambo wi ase be pemene baby no kora gina bi owo gina ho no nti sa wo pese kan okora na e wo so hun so wuo ben this country na nkasa 70 to 80% ya adwene no edasen nam 1970 1960 nti sa wo kase ebi a de wono no ya ade no kora be yi ho afirim udure Sɛcrɛts on kwale na da ho no papa bibusa wo wet maka tem se yewuro 240 kokko so santage o de tuura gu nsuo nim yewura na de tuura gu nsuo nim anaba wumia yewura mahama de tuura gu nsuo nim ba emu ayefin ye ne yetugum ye ne saje na gum brebrebe ne ko pe US ani asaso kam na dim penifo na tem we don't think, we don't reason. We the youth, the system, the public, the citizens, we don't reason. Now we say controversial say the day say we facha me. I say we so say me nkontomo so say me. Ba mpese me tafre ho me ntime mene. Now we say controversial say the day you as anche na tem. Omu didi ma akofo adoba omi amatem. Na ni bibi. Mama kan say aya na many boys ni bi kasa boys no mo yesa me nya kwanya ni bi kasa me say my a big mistake. Papa
boys dey here.
Boys omo yesa ni woni bi no.
Omo ye say omo ye.
Omo didi mpenifo atem.
Okay.
Me ben omo ana mpesa me kan say me kire omo say there is no single country was as so any 20 years na ye. I'm telling the fact. Nti seven periods mo fan chame. You were John Wani Mahama fan chame. Na you were Baumia fan chame. Na MPP for NDC for fan chame. The biggest mistake MPP ni NDC ni Baumia. You were Baumia you were Mahama ya ni say omo kan no krenchira o man no. There is no single there is no single country that 10 years ye in this world. Show me one country. China, America, Germany, UK. Check it. Obi take 70 years, 100 years. And this a wo be president how kunu say be transfer 4 years. Nti nema obe promise no. Say wo kan no bebrebe ma no boro so transfer Ghana. Wo ka so be bia ma Ghana, mu ni say obe transfer ade echi nya wo be ye. Wetin 1 week aye kwan. From Accra to Kumasi, wetin 1 week aye sa kwan no. It can take you more than 5 years. But I was starting to say, well, yeah, the country was still. I insult you that you are not doing anything. I tell you the fact. Because we don't know. Until I was saying, you know what, who is a country being here 10 years in a year. Country being here 20. China for the almost 70 to 100 years. And I'm at China, yes, sir. That's why we were near a Konya transfer 4 years. Now, so I'm finding Ghana. Now, what I have you think, I have say, quite way and 2 dinner time there. What do you do? You have to help the person. Don't throw rubbish away on the street. Scαmm na koya de. Ball on net or punching.
You yeah, Ghana for na you.
Yeah. And to show now no Kumasi Sports Stadium. You say Ghana Yakobo boys here ni Jos here no na Yakobo ball. O ma she Ghana. But boys so go from one stadium no. O mo ndwini hu ni say adwuma ni wo man nim enti yesi stadium yesa de wo man ni sika na ekoye sa sika ne betima bi adwuma mo abaye ye ntwene nkoho China US developed countries no but be a youth na dwen nam no Ghana youth na dwen ye dwen nam ho sebi pedas ya dwen ye sebi fan chane ya dwen ye etwe fufuo ne nkrakra nya ponche nkuruma mienu da so galeni aduane kokko ni kosua mienu
eye youth ni
Ghana youth ya dwen no
ebinom
ade wa kwa Ghana youth ye ekuye kura ni say guys what dan den ho aba awurade no acha che frefe ne guys nti obi ye girl wa Ghana ha na onjiji mmema ndi a oni nyansa wo ye girl wa Ghana ha ma wo djuma what say odi so ni so ye mmema di be professional even God will bless you doing that to Ghanaian guys. We are the most useless guys. We are the most useless youth in this world. Ghana youth, especially the boys. I'm telling the fact.
It be no more.
Me can be no. Me say population is 70% adwene IQ no form to can be no more. The warrior at the end of the beka or more money good no ho na yo.
Ye wa papa youth.
Me I was say me can be no. But ya adwene no be enam no. O can be no more. The on not to regu abonten no beka the on to regu abonten no. The so can ye nya na obi abufu obi adi watem. Na o ka sa akopin so man no youth no ya adwene be ye adwuma say you have to reason think about the nation before the politicians. How can you use 8 years to develop a country? Tell me, let's talk fact. How can you use 10 years, 15 years?
That's how Omon can will be that's how mobile business.
Sana share you to the system ni trim. So over transfer him 8 years I saw man yes US. I was saw man yes Germany.
Nti a you to na general.
Ya general no nti no no nsuo to agu abantra woni say no nsai wo man no. So wodi you go to ye na wo to ache na woni say eno no sai wo man no. Obetima janna gu roba na odi ato gatam woni se no no se wo man no because ni se akwa na waba na efere bawumi ana se efere mahama no wo se wo ba na obeyi wo be nti na dwe na koye no nko a pato de mekan pato atuma se
le to asepa
adwe nim se ye nyina na yesom ye yesei ye ka ye bom ye yesei ama o man na adan na ye koye nim na ye koye nim youth no system ya adwe nyandru ho you get it ndo ya baya wo Ghana hanu mo Ghana youth no boys no Jijo mudi morning very pan jijo mo o ka se bra because on se no transport o send ya no block no fast o e be to ma second
to how de ba man no
e guess no because on no do you block on to o dey ya pa no block no e ma no ko dey say AC no so ko soro pa HIV no wa check it
ma tell one sempa
e ko soro gidigidi o Ghana gidigidi pa da be na ko check me ho no nan for 4 days na ko check me ho because I'm sure. Some you save, I'm quite not safe. I'm sure I never does it. This year, may I say, I'm yes, if I'm going to go. Come I catch you, come in way out of the time. Yeah, come no baby, I cry nada. Yeah. To see, I quite check a cramp and a mini bin cramp on a metal condom say, metal condom packet, Makura will say so far now talking of my mentor. My wife in Ghana, but still my mentor.
Wife for only Ghana now we also from will talk on my day.
Me wouldn't buy a pan or them.
I was here 40 minutes past year 3. Kingdom 107.7, Kingdom 107.7. You were a year, your friends at Facebook Live. Our Kingdom has a and you were Fifi Pratt official. You were so live. Yeah, bracket 2. Baby will be welcome to Ghana. It's like I said, now, mental won't go. I will say, and then I'll also. Miento ka bra studio ni ambon komo why bracket 2 bra studio ni ambon komo ni ehunu de eko nice one minim sa Ghana for beka sa waka sa ye pa
how many beka
me se minim sa Ghana for beka sa waka sa ye pa
ni pa na beka sa makasa ye Ghana ni bi na beka sa makasa ye udina wonya Ghana ni o ye nipa ye wo nipa de o Ghana ni Ghana for na no musu enura to abonte ba nipa de onum wi anu ahye ne botom odu bia that's the one right there
o dey true
and aka what no dey there because odwene say no ewura no ye me to go about ye go more than 32 million population 32 million population that's almost 27 million population e to regu abonte na in about 3 years Ghana be say you get it nti nipa de ohunu say no wura no me to go abonte we so to go abonte we to go abonte ebe choki etoko nso rebu ayedai nso te gua fa so nipa de obadwan sa
and ma flat so the ACC no
by Ghana ni cash mahama so oba or 24 hours because 24 hours day economy ba omia so oba or the phones be checheye na ye twen akra waka say nya na odi yogoto ba omia so oba or the phones oba nya twen owie yogurt na atwa na adwena kwa de ba omia ka ye den bo ni se wura na wato atwa abonte sika na ba omia de be sa ama no osan de ba be pra wura no adwena nko ho sika na mahama say or the be 24 hours economy ama no or de ba be pra wura na wato ye den twena abonte nipa ba continue to yes, we are wasting it. Me say calling that what you can say you only can we can spend more than $2 million for the for that river to survive. More than, and that money can help the youth of this country. Am I lying? Who is destroying that calling?
More.
You got it? And we are fighting for the politician to come and help us, and we are destroying.
But in the
Yehuni. Sikana also mebon. Ye koye. O man ati asan
yo.
Ghana be here just the next 50 years old. This is youth na wom ye na generation for youth na beba. Na youth e woman nsuo mu na nsu to brede na wose nipa ye. E wose nka wa adwene ko adwuma so. Na wodua nnobaye because pebere wodua de enye dey. Enye anameboa nsu brede ye dua de. Ba Ghana nsu brede dura youth na adwene nko adwuma ne adone
chese ba ko na
edi nko a nsuo no awurade na de oda no. Nti youth ukọ China ni sa developed countries na nsu brede ba na akuafo ani ayedai.
Aje
Omkomu se o se ye ba Ghana nsu brede ba na awurade kankan transport drivers ni bi no.
Ba sa wo so ka ho.
Me kan say yes ye di man bia na.
Yeah, wo radio so.
Okay. Say guys me di bia na.
Be so wo radio so.
Okay, say like you know mo have sex ana. And I'm kind say ye war mo ana.
Say no ti na wakoto ho kono.
Kono na. Me say me hunu be lo apai no.
Me just so see nsuo bu na. Nsuo ye youth.
Me nye nsuo be na me. O be mama me yere di manya asemo. Angi nsuo be na. Me die me gina me gina ti ko nya kasiem dada. Me dwele me ho. Me ya me. Yeah,
so Nyame, na your friend say get to now preaching one. And then cause why so this when so be get to no. And now only nam get to no abrabon say yes cause we decided say no. Also two who see one na oboa eye ememu.
Okay, me evangelist dada. Me suffer dada. But abusia me free mu no. Me ka say abusia me free mu kwa na mani nya dey wo. Me kwa na me nya he wo. Me kwa na me nya basa wo. Me ka say enipa wo mu nye. Ba abusia me free ma me e wo mako 14, me ma 10, e ma 4. Me ma ni nyina ko prison da, me kwa ko prison da.
Ako prison.
Yeah.
Ah, wo ko di boni na wo de ko prison.
Man ko di boni because I say Christo jeme. Me kan say ye be di san ko na chiri pa. Enti abusia me free mu no obia omo ye hatu matwa we se kan obi ni de bufu ya na opira wo se kan obo tuo we say
we busu
sa no etie nti me sona me ba no me last born.
Okay.
Nti me sona me ba na me share omo ma di manim no se de omu suban se tie no nhyɛ nka Nyame me kɔtena na me sister bi nkyɛ na ɔde me call presby amen divine so me friend divine nti mama adwene call abusia no ye problem no say saa de we no wo omo so na me no me de me hye me ho so nti aso na me koye no Kristo so no wura me na saa nyansa na me fa say saa de na wa abusia na ye twa we se kan ya wo se kan ya yese wo sa abun so omo de report aba mo bra we yakọ we se kan wa hanom akotwa we se kan akobu we tu nti saa de na mpese me yi me ho free na me san nya asori a wo ka Kristo ho asem de me ho adai ajoin sa be na mi sakata ti e ma Nyame ho be kono na onyankopɔ tumi na ho de ne den ya kuduro ne nyansa ketwa bi ode ma me no o ma me adwene se me fa ntwa krama and I'm starting evangelism by the age of 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 ho nyana me preach o mo ni me pa do mo ni me pa then me preaching obaba na ajasof ma hwe ma African way no ma me che bi da me kontia sabre no my ohunua me che me ti aso sei once I guess no hu I guess no pa so no oh suffer sa na ye de hwe mo sa wende nti
why we are bread?
Secret no. Yeah, old timers.
Okay.
Yeah, bravo na ya dofo mo bravo. Yeah, you to fanke ya dofo.
Okay.
Adofo ni ampadu. Okay. E wo nyame so na make a batch of you.
Let me make up. So da wo bon ko mo
enti asempaka juma no. Asofo mpelifo amebe o munya na o che me fraud. Like baby on position wa adwena ko yese. Menim se me nchire mu hanom. Asa akra na Bible na chese yi o manyame no. Enye ho na asofo adwene wo. Ba asofo adwena ko ye mbo abo nipa no. Na ye ngigi wo musika, omko ye adwuma no de aba. Omko ye adwuma no de aba. Omko ye adwuma no de aba. Nti asofo am no mu hia ye. Me ne by the age of 16 years na me ye program. Oba na me ye program ni pa be 1400. Ubusa kwesi na akọ be ka kire bompa yo. What of bompa yo na anaju boja kairi bom bom ye kairi bom. I Joseph Mensa ubusa umi na me ka kire. By the age of 16, 17, 18 na me high on mo do me ye program. Akwesi na akọ me de ka pem na nyen tuai. Joseph Mensa so me de ka pem na nyen tuai. Sa be na mo 16, 17 years.
Wow.
Oba na me ye program a unhu ba bi ni pa na no kopem. Omo to akonya so na magina soro na mahwe ma ye.
Ewo yemfa na ye.
Kumase. Yes. Enti asofo mpenifo amebe o nyina na kyerem se nkomo o ni mi dina kwa ese enipa na begu na ase ye ba bi na ado o muko ba bi ani ba bi a ado o muko di umi sa na maton o yerda maton spray da na make this is the first time make am say mo yi na me ton spray na me ton na 10 million
as in 1,000 cities.
Asa make am be o say daya na ase sini bi na wo hwe ne sa me
There be as in 1,000 cities.
1,000 cedi.
Oton wo what sorry?
Like ton. Say me ya sorry. Di penifo yu ba me fam asofo penifo de o me programs. Ntomo ba no ma chem say o we obedi here. Nyame djuma no yiska. Nyame djuma no edi. Wa anye ye pe nipa be serew. Ja dweno ma me no. Bo so sofo we ba no abrem oil. Ntu me ko to the sense ko mo kire mo ba bi o mo ye sa anima no. Na me nisa nipa na ko edi ntu oye nku na na so oye na me makoto ana makoje na kisa me ne ye dai eye business enya bone se nka meton bibi dia ma asore ba adentira obi o ton ta bia he ba me sha onya bone obi ton fa chike ka onya bone atase but to the extent say we di bunipa no but what
Odi buni sese
na on fambu no uka chense nyame tumi wom na nyankopon de ahoden bi ama ma wo ya hyem nti omra meton 10 million 20 million 50 million 5 million wa abra onim se ade no sa ade na wo kan en solve ni problem the odi no ode better you are robbing the person
it's abra na wo ton oil no no oil ben na wo ton e dey oil
me kwa de me oil no na
any spray na wo
spray no yeah na me ho ma no mo de aba
efre he
obi na me wo boy bi nti boy no na wo ni sofo bi ye one boy na ngata kwati mi koma kai koleto oil no wa frafra no de aba
eye oil be ya eye oil like
oil na egugugu market na bi
bibi ti say
on to oil bi o ma ehwiam aso me kan emu odu o ntia na betam che Ghana for say me ka se me say san machi a meda ka mu sesia o me kwa dwane me first second
oil no omo ton wo
mark oil kwa
normal
oil
like ye chinkosia no mu ni ade it is so okota then what obo de brewa obo mpa ye go so
mpa ye ben ye de ko discount mpa ye
it wo kwa no waka cha o se den
men kan hwe so weba oba na so so problem a no so ye bi no 10 million 5 million 3 million
oil no hwe ni obo mpa ye kran go so
mpa na obo na ho akotie ho na obo mpa na che no akofo ada na mahama ade a woni se ni wodi gini pa ni sika no woni ba bia ye no kra fra wodi gini pa ni sika no ade bi omu ho ntin fancy me ka no kra
enti we say no se utwama nipa na nipa no so kofia say your oil yeah experiences we are now so whatever
media makato se na me sa me nim ho hwe
na
adwen no sofo
e bia de kwa de koye ne esi
na wo ye asori na o se o me change Scαmm ko chele 5 million no wa me hanki to wa me hanki no e pon aso no so wa me ska kese de me ke wo be frem kwa me ska kese o the 3 days said the 4 days na obi se o free Germany so no airport of mass Jimmy fan airport and I'm go airport on and no mama 2000 the hanky no for the mama no so o mama ska kese no am kan Scαmm you me nipa ne from 2500 euros it's more than 200 and 300 million because me sanya 300 and something million mpo enti men kase bibi ni ho but 80 to 90% of pastors adwena ko ye sika de ne hwe nim ye bibia nim ye fanza ni panjiska ye fanza o munjiska ye fanza for bino they are doing it. You got it. Obu a woni tumi woni hwe me kasa na me ya asori you know oya no ko frafra ba na o me de am me se me ntonam somato se misa eye enipa na begu me na ase ana me na me ton e beton ti o mo de me na ton but adebu o mo e no kre mitimi hey me do we kasa I will say gumi mami pe ni pa bon so de ne baba se ne ba no o yare den still ne yema wadwene se gini pa no na wagini pa no nti me gini pa me gisa Scαmm na me de che mitimi ndi because be si mitana me hwe ma me na wote na magini sika ko gina ha papa na bibi yeme me hwe ma me abrewa pa adena wo mo dia oya no ni be free just to collect the person money na ma ti ade no timtis mitimi yare mitimi dadem sa me koye program bi ana me nya Scαmm more than 120 million na obi display mami no si spray me kan challenge sorry mami ye program kan sorry mami say obi am be cha me 100 na 50 cedi o se that 300 cedi na me bi ngu nsam ye die spray that day ni face dem trust nti me ya so na me dem kan ye me ka dia ma mia na woni hade sta to mia with this to sa dia sa me sa ba 50 cedi mia no to sa me sa ba 20 cedi mia na wodi ato sa spirit ni be free o sa ko to no shop sa shop na bi e ki e adwene nti zadia na mi wuram wie ya nkasa be Ghana maton oh me kamaton kana kracho adwene da avra me mo share tirim no e bi na da me die me diem ba me so ntimi de na fi na enyini on say yo de ne de enyini ne Abraham avra mo share adwene ya akokorafo adwene e da da yenten ana me die enyini ndisa metisi sala ni mo a kasabre maton Ghana kako fa to sa no wa be kasa say papa
you were real men of God will come on
true if there's no real man of God there is no God because Satan cannot win all the population of this country or this world.
As you see an youth on mapa ba wa so for mo.
Yes. Obi an energy aso be wajimi.
Ah?
Yes, obi a o energy aso won this time be wajimi.
Obi there be other na kan.
True, na wo kwaso kwa dan. Enye Yesu na ntepo so ye be kan ya kire o. Na woni Yesu na ntepo so. Woni se go si pipe. Okwa anya ba abro na wu wa.
So ba wi aso kwa sorry.
Me.
Aye.
De oba abro nyina na so for kanti makwa so wi. If I go to church, I go for life changing. I want to hear something that will develop my mind. That will push me to do something. That's why I like Rev Obofour. That's why I like some pastors. Duncan Williams, Ajinasari. Let me mention names soon. I'm sorry, Daddy. I know I'm doing what I'm doing. You don't like it, I'm sorry. You get it. I was so man nipana dread the bobra because this word now it seems to see Ubini sika with deep money. Sikani escafon atemu de nyakopa is escafon kwa heaven. That's part money kwa temo chada money ba omia mo yewura ba omia yewura mahama mo yewura Ibrahim omo de heaven omo de kan yo atemu de nyakopon fa escafo hia ni bia nko anya de wono oba bi ko daaye de we nyinsa go onyo omo na omo ko busanjam o ahiafo uni ska atemu da nyakopon ba uni ska kan gina nchan Yesu bae kache sofo bi say one quotation Yesu ko tran hia ni fie. Bien see that there's no same quotation Yesu ko hia ni fie. There's no quotation. Can you prove me the quotation that Yesu ko hia ni fie? From the day they born Jesus Christ, ye the gold ne shia na kwan. Nkofo na the gold bread no ye hia for. Ukuta gold e hia ni. Na hia for ni ho. Go for the gold ne be share the ya won na wonim kase the gold ne be share no kwan. Nti yes no gold is ho no ma tata we si wo. Go gold no de bre ne de ya. O ma me ntimi to point me is ne de ya. Obi akom de wakodu Jericho. Unko ehiafo fie nkodidi. Wako Zakio fie because akwa na bokro no ye say tam. Huh? Ukofo obi adamfo amfa hia adamfo kofa Mary Magdalene obo hye wanya sika oye na Mary Magdalene yusu ne sika fo na yusu nti se woni sika sa oye no ntimi nto nti se Yesu pa adamfo bia fa so fa de wo sika nto fa Mary Magdalene se de be ya da bia kom do obenya de obeyedai obedie tetemu de nyakopo se che sika fo nya heaven straight na hia fo no apie nyina janim ye nyina ko janim straight
some himself wa want to say we amanfo ebinum keka say heaven dia ni bia help ya di baby na ni nyina wa asase so ye ya
okay
so what
oh ya de obi a oda so dwene se you see a wo gina we papa nyankopon de heaven US to no ma na se wo hwe picture me na obeki si US I'm telling you so obi da so cheta so US na se wo choose heaven aja Dubai ho no ma wa Jimmy obi da so wata so US no wa choose heaven aja America UK ho no ma we Jimmy
e den chi na ga sa
heaven Bible say edum kania Dubai edum kania say edum kania why is the difference heaven Bible say ehun netie Dubai ehun netie why is the difference heaven momo say heaven what was no de aduana yeden abra we boa so pifufo kan say Yesu alama mo kan na hagan hakrampo me ma order aduana mo de aduana abra esesi me feel local grace na ma wi banku ni ayi tilapia mboa na me ho de na me gina na banku ho de nti ma wi banku na me gina ha de den sa o order na mo de abra nti picture na mo de ma ye say picture na mo de ma ye say heaven ye fe ye say heaven jata en wi ni pa me boa na che da jata no jata ne ye ntiri jata na mo ntina fie heaven Bible say heaven wo won kanipa me boa ene ye ntene wo won ne ntina fie nti de many pa kodo heaven yet ma creative was so why is the need of heaven here there be we don't need heaven so if you use heaven to preach someone to repent you are not you are foolish you don't reason you don't have idea what that's ya akora wa adwenim heaven no niam ma ya kono no ye wo bi wasate so why the need of it again
it's anything na man for decide say heaven was as so
o ma prayer 1828 15th century o ma dey dem ba dem no kire mu na the population of Majima Ghana Hanamo just 9 to 10% and Majima be into which in semi bremo, I'll be losing 90% population on bet you. So also come to know Jimmy Coleman, some with Jimmy Coleman, until Nippany Biano, until the Yansan Caso money Biano. You see, that friend will say why I time no bad times are you come from Bushes at Timuta, Nacopo the Cover Cram, you make not to what's it? Why so I don't better? I they tell no better time they say. I send Americano. Ono ade obeti ase ena de e wose wote ase so beti ase ena de me pese wote ase beti ase atemu de say Yakobon de afna bo she ko heaven a me am pia ne say na wo no up to journey because oya bonsam ka so ko jam this is not time for us to say some words if you say it 90% of the population you say you are Satan but that is the truth I'm telling the fact so you have to keep quiet and watch them
they will say you want to be in casa from your bonsam
oya bonsam
they will
papa no
want to be gas.
Ne bani mi o.
Me nim say the bad one. O de
wa. O bet my friend dey see say. We can say reach us
o boss sure the Shatawale.
Hey boss you. God bless you.
Charles ni ama Shatawale.
Yeah,
yami shale bini ya no.
Na mami ka so we. Enu am koto. Enu am koto moto mako mienu. Royal moto no. Shatawale ma mi skabi. O chemikata mfankoto ka na mdisika no to o se nya bi so na koto ka me try am anya bi nti me check no mo se moto no ba ko ye 130 million na ndura sika na shato de ma me da koto mi oni se me de ma boys aye adwuma nya mi se Shatawale na in fact I don't want to talk much here God bless Shatawale again
nice one
no bi o touch Shatawale bia no be bere wo wiase obi touch me kind of catch there's no opa yankro bi Shatawale chi a omo ye niam amfata say no mo ginan na hwe nkro mo di buo ma Shatawale say no mo ginan I don't want to talk much about Shatawale here I'm telling you fact I don't know who Shatawale is
which another
me share physical say that
oh okay
and if I say I don't know who Shatawale is me kwa na meti ase because we check omo di buo ma Shatawale a omo life is different and omo disrespecting life is different Nkrofo to me touch at all. Some nkrofo no mota dinner ten radio so no. Adebeche no mo say come for no. Who is this guy? Who is he? You get it?
Yeah.
This at all. The whole Ghana when the team come, I'm a check packers here. I'm sorry, when the team packers here. Nyet at all. The whole Ghana teach ben the Fred Dompa. Nyet at all. Who is he? So if you are still thinking that at all is a normal person for you, up to you. You get it? So Chatwale, I was also see after that CSA. Was it CSA? Na or the matwa no head pastor, but to be preaching. You got the before I come and
Sure.
God bless you, Wasu. Now, I'm sorry. When Ghana for this is a Chatwale who and so much name you must see. This is secret. I want to repeat it. Chatwale who ya Chatwale name you my born in Ghana for chance. Me can't trade. Chatwale ma obon Ghana hano. Name ma otono. I guess who and sana ya tiasie. Me can't rachel. Oni lumba.
Chance for so.
Yes. If you lumba numbu or ma what tears are by which you na I say won't tell that. Chatwale just me kind of that men come from me can't trade. You get it? Inti Obika Chatwale you say I know. Sakwa DM stone boy more at least no guy low key you know Chatwale don't omo one because they know this guy. I don't know. To be relevant. Huh? For this huge time.
So
no what dinam. Hey,
and yeah, is Charles the Nyame nation no. Charles Nyame Chatwale.
Was always can who not discuss. About discuss say come there. Nyame Chatwale. What to sikao? What to sikao?
So there. And me there be some American say it seems say Shatta Kasa a binom na entenase. What I say. Winning, and I mean, say, or your emotional G. What I say, shut your emotional G into whatever it is, be other. So, or Cassa, or so we yesterday, no, we see Cassa no walk. What I'm telling me, no, Ayana in community, I'm not watching that. Or the sad out here, what I say. But in community, my yesterday, let me see a summer walk and say, a twice one. What I'm telling it is a twice one.
When you say I'm sorry, yeah, a mood, the person working,
some working as what I'm saying. We'll be able to shut at the Obofour and the wow with each other, or the Bema Mouse straight away. And now, walk a selling in a year a month for 80. They should listen. No more forgetting about the idiot terminal or kind of way.
Ghana, oh, when you're son coming to you,
Debbie. What I say?
Maybe I'm crying for the entire
terminal walk and the yam for the they give it to him that kind of thing. It may no ya at times no me tie na me tie edidia terminal. And na tie the story na walk no. True.
Yes. Chatwale nyo bi a. Chatwale nyom say youth ni tie ni ya on. Anka o man na sesa. Ya didi asakwa. Chatwale nyom. Ya na me kase bi dan ko for say me penasa ntina me promote no me fan pay sa akode o serious
yeah sack
mechanic bio me say wade so am yakoma na me kan obuom na yanso am be hwehwe me na jude suom ba me ni choice me pay the kosu okrom first of all come on babu no youth no kodi de yehu no first na me topa okay first na mo kama sem fi na me need bi and cash abanti mo be frame illuminati sorry man you lucky on my way to Grammys my control group when come push Bugatti me ticket funny cause I keep on making money trade am pon breath into threat is tsunami DJ Mensa Kesne Duvani na kopon se mami shiki welcome to the valley you believe in juju I believe in power Christopher mo that nya mo gine wan sasawa nyame twem na kopon se na from come mami dey be to me mind dey be dwane o manya wutuma life content planet ndi
atia faso na
me do nyame ndi isa akode no me tell free mo frase sa ndi ya na okata wala asem ya nkrofo say like open asem we ya ne fan ntina o kan asem but it's fact
Abusia Kingdom 107.7 so Nyame and then the first time Waba has say yedi hu no the chat said the city and the Kingdom 480 the big time away for the so to be slow Waba so wa share and the amaya kama Prophet Ojaba baby will be a chia so live I will share Prophet ojaba ehira kese enko enfaba metra so nyame be won nyama mienu bi ampese bisa
okay
why your friend is say enye Obofour so bete se wakonya accident na nsen ama mame no so obai wo sama yedi amehwe na I thought say accident na me hu ye na I thought say bia wada your friend say making it up and I say this whatever
real
esi da ben
esi be a bromant ni
ma e bromant
time na mo hu videos na sa time
na wo kwen
na me ko baabi ani patwa na me ko ya so me ya so wo barekese
okay
and me feel ma promise baabi ani get to for no esi am ye bibia underground
okay
nti get to no me ya announcement ni ka to me frefre ho no mo nya announcement get to ko shiwi na ka so nya be ba no o ko no nema nti get to mo so mo ni ready so nya be ba this is first na me in social media no ma ya announcement esi ano mo papa bi afutu nti social media no na hanum krampo a me bayi no aya wuntira o aya wuntino me manya kwan aba udin no oh mo papa bi pe wasem gidigidi pa nti no aya wuntira ko o mbesi me kwan akra say ma memba papa pa frere father o kasa me na hweka o kasa me nda 1 year kwa me da 1 year so
wow the friend say
meeting boni di wa
okay and then baby owo bia me chia
nti me na kwan so na me kono na ma twi moto ya me di moto na ko sunyan atwa batachiman e da fiti chima ba kumase e na mfi kumase sen ko ba bia ni na ma bre
was saying woda
I was saying
or resting
to me boys in na say me resting no ma me ko intimi nda nti me na kwan so a me ko sana me da
okay
to me dru baby nyina hini omo school bi ho SS baby omo si stadium na omo ja to go wure mo na yese nyanko ponche sa mpanifo na omo si omo she wiase mo ja go wure mo no omo nkoso anya sa akopin se youth no ye be sua nyansa because omo yesa na kombe dey ebe dey so bani won so wi ato abonten dey a na penin so be si school wi na ka wure mo anamboa pepe but u sua nyansa hu ni se ye ntuwure ngu abonten a penin so be hu se wa dwe no pese onya chena to obepe chena ye dey ama ana me boa
no
because you go tun for ntuwure ngu abonten you raba hama na akofa ntuwure ngu abonten be se wo tuwure ngu abonten yo man ni finance na be di na tem dey a nyame te so sa de no me be dey ya me kana wu ni nyansa won tem ase ana me hu se bompe bi wo ho no papa me da wo tim me da be seconds ke na moto no me ko speed so wo me ko first na me chota mpebiri kapa isi ada ma joa na enjoy isi me nya da o me hu ya na say moto nda fo me twi fo
jena wo ko speed
gidigidi pa
it's na ye a brand speed
a brand na me da
the ram na wo hit ya
na me hit na
ene peja o
nti ma kura nti say pa ye
oh okay nti enye bibia ye honhom asem ai
honhom
Debbie wo so abre
brand me pesa me de sha bre
Debbie
me pesa me de sha bre
what brand na so wo da wo nya so
am tachiro
tiewu
me ba o nya tro minim dia wo ka me pesa me de sha bre
Debbie
on se ubusa me
wana wo ka
okay
o se na wa bre and what would like what wechinchia what
na me da
it's not what it's all da o hit ramp out accident busy
why are there enti enna na me da no but o chemi yo obi timi ye adwuma 3 days na one night you say me say makote chi makosu nyan ma ba ha no ma iza na me da dia enna na me da no ade nti na me da what I say enti no me kasa me fa na physical nko na me mompa ye mfa ho a my mistake because we are so we are say you have to pray about it.
Debbie, that's a 1 year you mother so own rest here. Yes, of course.
Yes, over that true.
Obey a week.
Okay, in the accident. Okay,
because my it's only spiritual idea.
Why are there? Me bomb and a bintin, me buzo, me bomb, mamma. Because to my man and tell no crowd, me go so me bomb and say. So be, you be so ye penny. Name ya cra. Always go with your hams. I get so boy. Minha cura. Minha cura.